How's it going? This is Chris with the Youngs, and today we're going to talk about this 2013 FLH TCU, otherwise known as the Ultra Classic. On this bike, we've replaced the front fender and had it powder coated, so it's more rock resistant than your standard painted front fender. So we know that's always the first piece to go. Bike comes standard with a 103 cubic inch motor. This one's got 14,000 miles on it. It's got a 6-speed transmission, nice 2-in-a-2 exhaust with the next pipe. Front stereo speakers have been upgraded. Obviously you can't see because it's internal, but they've been upgraded to 6.5 speakers. We've also got on the tour pack upgraded JVC speakers for the passenger with radio audio controls, so if she doesn't like the music you're listening to, she can turn it down. In each saddlebag, they've got a dual Pioneer 6x9 setup running for you. That way you get that extra volume. In your tour pack here, you're rocking an EXL 1000 watt amp to power all that speaker output you got. Dual antenna setup for your AM, FM radio, CB radio, and whatever radio you want to put on there. Got your standard heel-toe shifter, makes it a little more comfortable on the ankles. Shift up with your heel, down with the toe. No more marks on your boots where you're scraping them up.